how to stream on Kick from mobile using Streamlabs. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to stream on Kick from mobile using Streamlabs. Alright, let's begin. So first you are gonna need the third-party platform called Strangio because the Streamlabs doesn't allow us to stream directly to it. So I'm going to just add a channel here and that's it. Now I'm going to copy this. I'll go for the Streamlabs. This is RTMP. We are going to copy paste our RTMP URL and stream key, and then we have to set the overlays. So I'm going to create a new scene. Let's see what's up here. This one looks good. So I am going to rename it Kick. It's just an item. Delete it after that. Add widget and tap on add custom item, add a URL. So I'm going to use this side. So I'm going to create generate my URL. So just like that, paste. So hide it from the stream, or you can make it also available. As you can see, it's connected. That's it. Now we must be alive on a stream, and we are on live at the same time on Kick. This is how you can stream from mobile. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.